everyone, and thank you for tuning in again. So we are back with part 2 of our seller series, and we're talking about staging a home. I am joined today with Miss Carlotta Peters of Lotta Staging Design, and she is giving us a sneak peek of her personal home where we can see how she staged it, and kind of see the differences between what you would do in an actual staged home that you're listing to sell and your personal home. So thank you for tuning in. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right. Hello all, welcome to my space. Thank you for being here. Glad to be here. I just want to share with you a couple of the changes that I've made recently to my living room. So we'll start with the wall colors. What we did here is an agreeable gray. It's very agreeable. It's very
That's the number one color, you guys.
The number one color it is. And as you can see, it's very soft, very warm, very welcoming. And what I also did is, if we want to pan up here, I had crown molding added to the space. What crown molding does is it elongates the room, kind of makes it look taller to the eye than it actually is, and had it paint with a semi-gloss white. Also had the windows over here boxed out as well, just to add character and depth to it. In general, the living room is one of the top 3 spaces in a home, and it's where we get together, we watch TV, we have meetings, whatever you want to do. But the living room is built for comfort, and so that's what you see around here with the textures, with the different tones. Just warm and fuzzy feeling is what you want to get. One thing that'll add character to a space for a seller is having plants. Now these are all real plants. They're all my real plants. They're all my babies. What you want to do is having plants, should I say, always adds character to the space. It will make you feel like you're at home. These are my plants. These are all live plants, and I love them so much. And it makes the space feel so soft and so much more like home. So if you can add plants to your space, now mine are real, but artificial plants work just the same.
So Carlotta, is this corner right here, because I think this is my favorite corner in the whole living room. Mm-hmm. Is this something that you would do for a staged property as well?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because when you walk in and you see it, you can visualize it being in your space. Mm-hmm. And that's something that you always want to convey is, can I see this for my space? So I would definitely do this in a stage space.
Nice.
For sure. And then with the mirrors, it makes the space look bigger, than it actually is. Mm-hmm. Because of all the reflection and the lighting.
And I really like how you put gold and silver pieces there. Is
Yes.
that something that you think would be good at a stage property as
Absolutely.
well?
Actually, that's trending this year, mixed metals. So I do have a combination of gold and silver all throughout. And the mirrored effect kind of give you a little bit of bling. So you can say gold, silver, and bling. But yes, absolutely. Mixed metals is in for 2021. In a stage space, anywhere where you can have conversations, talk with people, meet with people, or just relax yourself, chairs. These 2 chairs here are just for that reason, to sit and have conversations, to watch TV comfortably. This mirror, this mirror has traveled with me from Ohio to Georgia to now Charlotte. I want to call it vintage. I mean, it's like 25 years old. It's timeless. You can put it
still in style.
Any space. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's still in style, almost in any space. And I absolutely love it. And not for nothing, this was the same mirror that was on The Apprentice.
Okay.
When we used to like that guy.
So what do you think is the most important piece that every staged home needs to have? Like, what is that staple piece that you just have to have if you're going to stage a home?
I would say obviously furniture, but specifically the couch. That's where you want to build around. You want to build around the couch. What's good for that space? This is a smaller space, so this is a small sofa chase sectional. And then the carpet just helps to add character to the space as well. It kind of helps tie everything together as well. And what can also help add style to your space is pillows. You can do all kinds of fun colors, all kinds of fun textures, just all kinds of just funness in general.
That's when you can put your own personality in.
That's
Even though it's a staged home, it's like,
Exactly.
okay, well, I can still add my little flair to
That's
it.
it, and that's what the pillows do.
Okay, cool. All right, so we are all finished for today. Thank you so much for joining me on
Absolutely.
this video series. I am just so excited for everyone to view this and learn something about staging and design. How exciting is that?
Yes.
So you guys, definitely if you are interested in Lotta Staging Design, you need to contact Miss Carlotta and she's gonna give you her info.
I'm on Instagram at Lotta_staging_design. On Facebook, Lotta Staging Design LLC. And you can also visit our website at lottastagingdesign.com.
Awesome. And I will leave you with this last, I don't have anything else to say.
Except for yay.
I want to leave
My
one
favorite
last
thing is
sentence.
yay. How about that?
Thank you for watching. We'll see you later.